Hey everybody! Today we are going to learn how to make Windows 11 copy files faster so you can speed up file transfers and reduce waiting time. This works on the latest Windows 11 version. First, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Click Processes. Close unnecessary apps running in the background. Background apps can slow down file transfers. Now click the Start button, then click Settings. Click System. Click Storage. Turn on Storage Sense to keep temporary files cleaned automatically. Next, open File Explorer. Right-click the drive you are copying from. Click Properties. Click the Tools tab. Click Optimize under Optimize and Defragment Drive. Click Optimize to defragment. Avoid copying to USB 2.0 ports. Use USB 3.0 or higher. Restart your computer after making changes. Your file copy speed should now be faster and more stable. That's it. I hope this helps you on your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.